Okay, we're gonna go for a drive in my 1970 Pontiac GTO 400 4-barrel. This car, I bought it from a guy who was kind of the president of the GTO club, I believe. And he did a lot of work to the car he added some optional equipment to it that it could have had, but it did not. And most of that equipment is part of the Judge package, but he did not try to make it into a Judge replica. So the equipment he added was the ram air induction, forced air functional louvers through the hood into a system on the air cleaner. And it's controlled by a knob down here to open them and close them. He added the rear spoiler, and he added the hood tack. All GTO options, but they were not a part of the car from the factory. It was a factory GTO. It is a matching numbers car, and a frame-off restoration was done probably 15 years ago. So, one thing I'll say about obviously, I have a lot of different cars, but the Pontiacs, I don't know why, but all the Pontiacs that I have are tighter cars. Now, it could be total coincidence that I just happen to have, really, I have 3 Pontiacs, but 2 that are older, restored cars. One's a Firebird 400, but they just, I'm sorry, I have a Trans Am, a 73, which same way, very tight, no rattles, no shakes, versus a Chevelle equivalent of this, very much different cars. I can't explain why it would be that way. But I think the horsepower on this car was around 330, and with the ram air package went up to around 370. Very fun car to drive. Not a whole lot else to say about it. This car is equipped with the automatic and the old proverbial 8-track player, as well as air conditioning and tilt wheel. So well-equipped car, comfortable car, again, solid driving car. So hope you enjoyed the drive today, and come see me again.